Step 1. The waiting game. If a woman is interested in a guy, she responds immediately to a call or text coming from him, but responding to him right away will give him hints that you are always available for him at his convenience. Men love the chase, so do not get caught easily. Make him wait as long as needed, but not long enough that will make him lose interest. This may be silly, but it always works. It makes him crave for you more. Step 2. Be the first to end the conversation. After making him wait, he will eventually contact you if he really likes you. Always be the one to hang up the phone and let him be the one to send that last text. The key is to keep him wanting more of you. Because you ended the conversation, it will make him contact you first because he feels the need to continue your conversation. Step 3. Add a little bit of mystery and surprise. Your guy loves a little bit of mystery. You do not need to tell everything about you in just one sitting. Men tend to lose interest if they already know everything about you. They think they are already conquered you and you do not excite them anymore. Remember, men love the chase and challenge. Also, it won't hurt if you surprise your man sometimes. Instead of a traditional dinner or movie date, why not go hiking and go for an adventure? If he's happy with your company, he will miss that and he will always find ways to be with you again. Before we continue, I want to show you the most scientifically validated technique to get your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend back in your arms. Even if you think it's impossible, I'll teach you how to use this technique to make your ex fall back in love with you again for good. I link it below in the description. Step 4. Leaving him craving for more. It's like our favorite food. When we get a taste of something delicious, we want to taste it again. But here's the catch. If you always get that taste, even how delicious it is, you will lose interest. Men want what they can't have, so give him a taste, but do not give it all. Make it challenging for him. In this way, he will appreciate you more. Step 5. Be memorable. The last step is to be a girl who is worth missing. Do you know how great you are? If you don't, no man is going to know that either. You need to show up and be your best self. Love everything about yourself and your life, and he'll love you too. Love hard, and give yourself what you need to be happy. When you are out there doing your own thing and being fabulous, it's hard for a man to ignore that. He'll want to be around you more when you want to be around yourself. Don't fool yourself into thinking you need someone to make you happy. Be happy and someone will miss you when you aren't around.